Are you looking for work boots? Look no further than ConstructionGear.com for your primary source of construction clothing, construction boots, and safety equipment. Our construction clothing includes shirts, pants, jackets, and overalls from top brands like Carhartt, Dickies, Carolina, Timberland, 3M, and many more. Our overalls offer extra protection from spills, grease, grime, and paint, and they can also bring you an extra layer of warmth on chilly days. We carry a huge selection of men's and women's overalls in a range of styles, sizes, and colors to exactly suit your needs. At Construction Gear, we are also committed to providing high-quality safety shoes. We offer a wide variety of work boots from all the top manufacturers, including Carolina, Caterpillar, Wolverine, Lacrosse, and Justin. Be sure to check out our own exclusive Rugged Blue brand of clothing and boots, which offers excellent quality at very reasonable prices. Choose from a variety of safety shoes and work boots with steel toe, composite toe, or soft toe in a variety of styles. Safety gear is necessary for all industrial work, environments, and at Construction Gear, we will keep you protected and save you money. For more information on construction clothing and work boots, visit ConstructionGear.com or call us at toll-free 1-877-734-2458.